I'm trying to touch the States this time. 2021. Gotta show him I can still rap though.
I'm over here trying to do maneuvers down one-way streets, and he blocked me into the spot. Made it to the tire shop. We're gonna go ahead and get the front 2 tires mounted on. We already got the back, so we hit the front. Let's go to the same spot, check him out, because he did a good job last time. So run by him again, have him slap on the front 2 tires, and then we should be good to go.
This new tire too.
Yeah, they new, but they winter tires, and they got titties in them. Yeah, man. These ones right here, I noticed though. These ones catch the most, man. In the potholes. Yeah, the potholes, man. They kill it. Let me see this piece, man. How much was it?
500 flat, bro.
No, what? This is
so this for the Mav sensor right
here. I swear
here.
I shouldn't have threw out my other ones that I had. $500.
It said, yo, this is the check engine light came on, replaced Mav airflow sensor. So I called them. They're like, we only have 1 left. I was like, what? How much are you charging? $460 before tax.
Oh.
Went on FCP. All the sites. I remember I called you like, $100 on AutoZone. They lied.
Yo, this man got money, man.
No, I don't. No, I don't. Mikey's making me stay up.
$500?
Don't check engine light gang.
Yo,
right? Don't check.
Yo, I rode a check engine light for years. Years before I paid $500 for this. Yo, hell no.
Bro. And then I asked him, what's the difference? How do you know if it burnt out? You know what he told me? There is no difference. He was like, the module's inside.
Yeah, it's electric. Yeah.
So should I try it now?
The car don't start up. I mean,
I don't know what we gonna do. I don't have no other choice.
You can't go nowhere because you blocking my car too at the same time, bro. I show him the steps.
First, you gotta take off the shield and, take off the shield and it's hot as hell. Oh.
Wait, you installed this by yourself too, right?
Yeah, hell yeah. So crazy, I went in Home Depot because this somehow disappeared off the car. I had to go into Home Depot, go crazy. I couldn't even find the correct screw. I had to get like, what's this, 10 and 32 by 5, it's supposed to be 5 and 5/8 or some shit like that. I got it for like a 1/2 inch. Got that in there. Yesterday I just, redid the intake. Washed it off with the K&T cleaner, re-oiled it with the K&T spray, make sure everything is Gucci. I learned everything from Mikey.
No, you did not. No, you ain't learned none of that. No. If they say you're doing the wrong thing, it ain't because you learned it from me, because I don't even know if that's the right thing. All that stuff you say, I don't even know.
To wash it, and then after you wash it, spray it down for the inside for the oil.
Oh, yeah? Who said that, though?
The YouTube.
Exactly, not me.
YouTube. But I'm saying, it came out great. Like,
Nah, it came out good, but when did it throw the code for that? After you washed it or before?
Before I did anything with it.
Okay. All right, cool.
So basically, we're gonna remove these 2 screws right here.
You watch too much YouTube videos.
You know the vibe. You know the Torque 17 is the best thing for your BMW. You gotta have that on set. I'll tell y'all to test it before y'all just go ahead and just,
So you good.
So you see what the teacher just showed y'all, right? You see? That's why I'm still a novice. No, I'm the novice. I'm just in school learning. I'm in school learning.
You installed this by yourself, actually. The whole
air intake. Hell yeah. But Mikey and Twan is the one who referred me to get everything. But see, now this is the crazy part.
It looks exactly the same.
It looks exactly the same, bro. Like maybe a little discoloration.
Yeah, but you ain't gonna notice any difference, I don't think.
For $500, I want to know exactly what the hell is going on.
One better be shiny, one better be dirty.
You understand me? Something better.
Now, Sugar, let me see something. It says something about airflow here. It'll normally tell you which way to put it. I guess this is the right way.
Let's see if it matched up. Did the screws match up?
Yeah, the screws match up. But it should match up both ways, though. That's what I'm saying.
I think this is the best way for it.
No. It's a specific way. Hold on. You hold this. It should say airflow. What direction? It don't say it. Yo, you sure the whole time you didn't have it in backwards, maybe?
Because look, it doesn't line up that way.
Let me see.
It only lines up flush this way compared to lining up flush this way. Like the holes don't match up.
Okay, so you're right. You got it. But what I'm saying is, you sure this one was on that way first? Like, let me see something real quick.
Because remember, look, the air has to go through.
Oh, yeah. You're right. It don't. See, look, you just taught me something.
Feel it? One time. now. Ooh, my baby. Ooh.
Oh yeah. This right here, bro.
Always make sure y'all put your pieces back on. This was the shoes in that. Like, I don't know where they said it broke. Shout out Slow Speed for the coding too. I gotta throw all of it out there. He did the truck, the coding on my car, and all. But nah, I was going 90, bro. You know, in sports. So once I hit the sport, you know, the adaptive suspension.
It might get a little firm.
Yeah, firmer.
Yeah.
Bro, as soon as I did that, just took off. I just heard the flap. So you know, the first thing I did is start crying. That's the first thing you will ever do. I pulled over, went home, looked into the driveway. I didn't see anything wrong. I started pushing my hand up to see the flap. One loose screw right here, one screw right there that was loose. Went to the body shop. They told me to take it off, but that's covering the gas line.
Yeah.
So, you know, back again at BMW.
But it's nice though. KR nice though.
Nah, this shit fire.
I'm just gonna do these ribs over like that.
Got the white interior. Wait, where you gonna take it to again?
I think I might bring it to him because, we got a deal on parts. I forgot to tell you. I don't want to tell everybody on YouTube, but. Oh, yeah. Yo, bro, I'm gonna sand the front lip in a little bit just to flush it out. I don't think I'm gonna remove it. You understand? Oh, they outside. Yo, bro, I want a four-wheeler, bro. I think that should be the next thing for next summer. Like, I think that'd be. Yo, I'm addicted to fashion because of this man and my other man, Twan. Shout out Twan, you know?
He's on the highway going crazy.
Bro. I got a call with him. It's on YouTube. It's on YouTube. Nah, stay with them. You're not gonna stay on the street with them. I'm not gonna lie. You're not gonna stay up with Mikey. But I'm happy being, behind, not so gapped away. Like, just know that he will gap you disrespectfully.
He said not so gapped away.
You know, just not so far. I'm right here. Like I'll keep up just like this much. At least he honest. I ain't gonna lie. Like, look what he got. Like I'm building my car up to this. This got the B46 engine. Nah, the RB's
good, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, bro. Yo, thanks, man.
Thank you, man. See you.
Yo, take it easy. Be safe, bro. I'm about to get up out of here.
Now I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the back like here I go again. Outside says the chirp, now the camera phone. Told you I'ma keep the channels on. Why you acting different when the camera's on? Why you acting different like your paper long? 8 day wake up and I thank God. Bad decision got you wishing you could say nah. My city gritty, you could get hit any day now. On my mama, I'ma move my family way out. With some 20s, 50s, 100s, thousands, millions, billions, trillions, zillions. I'm talking Amazon money, talking so much money I could mess around and buy Amazon.
I'm gonna give a shout out to my boy, Jamie, aka Shalom. Put his Instagram down below. He showed you his DIY little tutorial on how to do the mass airflow sensor. For what I know, everything he said is accurate. I don't know, but finally got the tires on the front. This is where you would point the thing down now. Ooh, now I gotta get down. My knees is bad, you know what I'm saying? But finally got fresh fronts, kind of sort of fresh rears. We did a couple donuts and burnouts already, but they're not exactly down to the meat. Next up is alignment. I have to fix some little body components in the car. That passenger side rocker. Brakes are back ordered, and I think that's about it. I got a couple things I want to touch up for this car before it's perfect, and then I'll make my final video. Like, is it for sale or not? I haven't made up my mind. That's it. The car is really nice, super clean. I really gotta give a shout out to my boy Yuri, YP Auto Detail, for dialing this car in for me. He got it looking immaculate, making me want to keep all my cars clean. One thing I want to say as far as selling the car, because a lot of you guys have issues with wrapping your head around the fact of what I do with my car and me selling it. I see comments, I'm gonna put them maybe right here, right there, but oh my God, the second owner is not gonna know what this car was in store, or you're beating the car up and you plan on selling to somebody. Now, as shocking as this might sound, this, in my opinion, is probably one of the best examples you could buy. The reason I say it is because, well, you know everything that's been done to the car. And what I mean by that is I documented everything. The goods, the bads, the pieces that broke, the pieces I fixed, the pieces that I auto flex or this, that, and the third. You know the full history of the car, you know what the car's been through. So in my opinion, this is like the best Carfax YouTube being the best like Carfax for this car that there is, that they could possibly be. You don't know what you're buying out there. You can go ahead and buy a car from a dealership. It can be certified pre-owned. And somebody could have did donuts in it just like me. Somebody could have crashed it, maybe not reported it to insurance, and then fixed it. Nothing will pop up on the Carfax. They could have reported to insurance, and then Carfax might have slipped and dropped the ball. I've seen all of those cases happen. For the most part, you guys will be able to go through all these videos to see exactly what I've changed in the car, what I've done. Now, I will be giving all the stock parts away with it if I sell it. Springs, the catted downpipe, everything. Even the turn down setup that I got coming for you guys next. All that stuff will be included. Just trying to figure out, should I sell it? And like I said, cut it out with the comments of, oh, people, they don't know what they're gonna get. They're gonna get a car that was abused. In all honesty, when you're buying used, you don't know what the hell you're getting. At least this is one of the better examples because you know everything that's been done, and you can make that decision yourself on whether or not you should get a car that has been put through this knowingly, or you can go out and go ahead and buy your certified pre-owned that could have had an engine swap. It could have had so many different things done to it as well. So yeah, I think that's all I pretty much have to say about that. I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna keep the M340 gold. Whoever buys it next or whatever could go ahead and either debadge it or rip off the gold. I just want to have some type of cue or something left on the car. You know what I mean? So it's like, oh man, it's a gold badge M340. That was mine, kind of thing. You know what I mean? I'm not sure if the carbon fiber this is going to come off because I got it off eBay and it's a little hazy up top. I'm not sure. Maybe Yuri could do something to it. Maybe I don't know, re-ceramic coat it or something like that. Like I said, it's cheap. This is actually one of the first ones I got from eBay that actually started hazing up. I'm ready to show you guys as far as updates. Thinking about working with a couple people, wheel-wise, get wheels, but I don't know. I guess we'll wait and we'll see. Back for those people. Peace out.
Montego Bay. If I take the job, bet I get it done. I said it before, I'm a 101. I just caught some ones, only wearing ones. Fornicate the funds, money made me come. Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock it.